o umanga ulia mafamua. Ole autu o le tau tala tai au nei ole matau tia. Ole au fatas in this ole mera lenga ai ole au fatas lo ngari e faise me leanga. The danger of working together to lie to the spirit. Mele le fai lo ngari lenga ai. Wala e adu fai kau ai pe kam fai le tuspa ia fai loa mai fai mai. Ua abele si mea ka au file si mea. Au lo iai lo I loa mai le finge mea I tusparangi. It was done with her full knowledge. Le kam fai tuspa ia e kau fa makala mai mea. Ngai o le leia finge mea fai. Na planet malo e fai mea with her knowledge. Lai o le leia finge e leise mea finge fai. Ua au whaatasi e wā ngā whai mele. O le tautala rai ta au nei. O le matau tia, o le au whaatasi e whapenganga pero hia le tua. Pengo whai atu na mtanga, o le amatanga le o le ekalesia. Whatua fau le ekalesia. Ai tua no I tala lea. E lau manatu mala ua ia ta maa isosinga ma siau tu mai mamlama. Ua tua le tua ngā I. Le tala le lau ngari I lea. Ina ia. Set ai le tono le ekalesia. Ma avatu le masi te ngata o te tono le ekalesia ma te ngata o rau tau fau mai o mai tono le ekalesia. That you don't fool with the Holy Spirit. This is what's going to happen to you. This is what's going to happen if anybody is thinking about lying to the Holy Spirit. Just check this couple out. This is what's going to happen. This is what happened to the couple. This is what's going to happen to you if you're thinking of coming in and try to fool the Spirit. Le dam faida le tua po le ngang pa ia e fai loa I e mauti noa le urangia le ngang pa ia po le ara wafo e fai tono le akalesia o if you're waiting for a lump sum so base of plan e so swani tono lotu pa so swani sesi leo no tatu ba I nga itala le the danger of messing and lying to the Spirit. Ile o ngā te tonu la tala le siria. Tato fai tau fatasi, fai tau mea na fai upe tonu. Inga ko aku inga I fai tau keu e whakea o akara maroa e whai mai lea, pero mai. Fai tau mai fai upe konu, lava ngā tonu ia.
Au fai a te teo, anani ai, me are mea o whatu moai e satani lo roto, e spero ai ka nai whaia, ma e tu wai ma oe nisi mea o le tau o whanua.
Mo tu wai isi mea mo le tau o whanua. A mea mamana me tala rea, e le mau e au I tala rea whai tau. E leo ta ua mai le amatainga o le sales o whanua nea, the beginning of the sale is not right here. E leo ta ua mai le ngatanga whakaua le whanua, e leo ka ua mai le pending whapenganga whau e la whakau whanua. Ai, paule me, ai mai whai kau ngai mamama, e kau mai ngai, ngā whai le ofo le ngari I le. E leo ka ua ngai, e le penga whais le ngari I le skala. A ka uria ngā whanua, e a mai malawa mea I tongu le karesia. E peo mea ngā le, e leo sawe ngai. Ai wa umalo wa uwe le ngari kupe. They saw the cash. They got that stack of cash. You know what happened? Oh, my little tupi. That changed everything. Fou lol vaenga fapenga. O nga kuku si vaenga. Ai abe si vaenga. Ai ka tonu mai na matanga na plan vaenga le fa tau fanua. Ai abe malawa me yo fa au le akari mai. Al tengen ka uliel fanua. Kuku lo malisi mea alai lo malawa finger mele kuku. They said the wife had a full knowledge, but he don't even speak up. She just went along to get along. That's what most people do. Most Christians do. Just go along to get along. E agree everything in the uma família maloa. Samoa, ufalonga nyei. E fai ese pero malo, be la fai lumar fale, po lumar para fale, la fai poca, pe pero malo, discanca. Ai, fa per cara malo. Se muni mago ma ainga. Ia po ame aqui ngara fai me kua po la langa se fala po fulu ipu, ia ipu e. E muni mago ma ainga. E fala o fing, e se sao le leia, sao ma ainga. Ah, bueno, se pelo, ia va pe me ainga. E muni mago ma ainga. Ia va pe me fing, e sao leia, sao ma ainga. E pe ka fo linga me ngai e va pe me ainga le. O ainga kupe. Onga pe pero lo ia fa me kupi me nga e ska Agen denga o ya peke ka o te fian. O le sasi la mele ke lo fa sala inga al vaenga le o mo pa ule ia kamago. O kam fai vaenga le, you know, they misrepresent themselves as spiritually. You know, they in the front of the church they want to come across as holier than thou. You know. They are holy. This couple right here, they stand in the front of the church. They probably, you know, say stuff like they're all that. Once they got the money, everything changed. I couldn't listen there. I feel in the I promise I might come. Elia Scala, Lisi Cala, my wife, I may have a the fire the rampa ear for Fomare Calicia. Except the tongue, it's going to send out a message to everybody that you don't play with the Holy Spirit. I was 5 hours long, I called Kula, some going as some long. She had a chance. If I out there, the finger they come to come clean, she had a chance to come clean, become she a better. But Paula the mayor, Mama would cover from more. But yes, that's all we got from the sale of the land. She had a chance to come clean. We all have a chance to come clean. With every now and then, we got a chance to come clean. She had a chance to come clean, but she decided to go right along and continue the same lie. She fell right down. It's not about the money. It's how you went about it and lie about it. When you have a secret motive, that's very dangerous Christian. That's a dangerous Christian right there when you have a hidden motive, a secret agenda behind what you do. Then this is what happened. With her full knowledge, she had a chance to come clean, but decided, no, I'm just going to go ahead and tell the lie. That's my story. I'm going to stick with it. I ain't going to let you tell me. Before we got a she and find it to it, it's set. Now, I don't tell if I for people were just shaking out their shoes. They were scared that God would just drop you dead. They're like a gave me. Oh no, I love Madame Lay, two of to know the toilet that you were telling me. You know, came you got some fire, fire lay noise me, fire creation. I tell me, just wait for I tell you that too. I'm not going to charge you, because you're going to charge me back. I ain't no perfect, you know, I'm not perfect. From me to explain. With his wife full knowledge, he kept back part of the money for himself. When Ananias heard this, he fell down. What made you think of doing such thing? You have not lied to men, but to God. Ana le mai le tuela whalongo le tau. O su e whatangata I le tua malano, Lauga ma le tua. So sani le tuela maftanga, mala sa walinga le nei vayas, ana le le tua, o I ayo ngas. Me whaidi penganga usu tato pese. O le matau tia, o le au matasi o penganga